Before we get started with this video, I want you to know that this video is not about Etsy. I'm not going to show you inside of an Etsy shop, and I'm not going to tell you that you can get rich on Etsy. This is about something that is called the LDT model. Learn, do, teach is what that stands for. So this is about being a marketer with the focus on creating information products, essentially selling shovels, creating training, creating information products to let people know about a specific platform, a process, a procedure, how to solve a problem for someone. And I'm using Etsy as an example for this product that is being sold right now. And the product is on launch right now. And the thing that I want to focus on is it includes a white label license or PLR, private label rights license, which means that you can sell the guide and keep 100% of your profit. And I want to show you a way to do exactly what is being taught in this guide. Now, understand that you will need to learn about Etsy. You will need to understand why you use print on demand on Etsy, what products you can sell. Understand that there are dozens of ready-to-go product ideas inside of this guide, and you need to understand the pros and cons of each of those. So you will have to learn about Etsy, and this main guide, this report, will show you all that information. But I want to scroll past all this information again because I want to focus on this, the component number 5, the piece of the puzzle that you are getting when you pick up this report through my link and get my bonus. There's a link in the description. It is the white label license. You get an exclusive white label license, and here's what you can do with it. You can sell the main guide. You can add your name. You can break down the components into smaller reports. Use it for a topic for a YouTube video or to build an entire channel around. Now, if you build an entire channel around this, yes, you will need to dive into Etsy, and you will need to be able to show people how Etsy works. Link in the description takes you over so you can understand when you pick up the Pod Profit Playbook, you are getting a big idea, and the focus here is on how to create information products. And this is a guide. Your bonus is going to be my product, my information product that shows you how to revolutionize your content creation process with PLR and AI, and how you can build your own brand and drive sales with ease by taking a piece of white label content, a piece of content that you purchase rights to, PLR, private label rights, to create your own product, and how to utilize PLR and AI as a dynamic duo. And in this video, I'm going to show you a little bit about that. Now, I did pick up this guide. Here you can see that I purchased it. It's over at Warrior Plus. Again, there's a link in the description for you to grab this guide, get my bonus, and in my bonus, you're going to see exactly how to do what I'm about to show you in greater detail. Here is the offer that you get. You get the PLR or the Pod Profit Playbook, the white label pack. You also get these bonuses about creating and setting up an Etsy shop with these specific mug designs. Again, this is not about selling on Etsy, but you have to learn the ins and outs of selling on Etsy. And once you pick up my bonus and you grab the front end, which is the pod report, there's a chance to get a back catalog of 12 additional white label products that you can sell for yourself. And again, the focus of this video is keeping 100% of the profits following the learn, do, teach model using PLR and AI to create your own products, your own information products. Now, this is from Tony Newton. He is the person that created all these products. He has this product, the AI Cash Code. He has the High Ticket Affiliate Rolodex, the Snap course, the Build Your First Email List course, the Buy, Boost, and Flip course, the Instagram 1,000 Followers course, the Passive Affiliate Funnels course, 5 side hustles for beginners that can each make you $1,000 per month, and rank and rent guide, as well as image outcome. Also, the Real Revolution and 7 days to making your first dollar online. These are all products that, again, remember, you can sell each of the products and keep 100% of the profit for yourself. Link in the description takes you over to get the Pod Profit Playbook and the upsell. And with that, you will get the bonus where I'm going to show you how to take all these white label products and make them your own to build your own brand and to sell your own products. Again, that is the focus of this video and the reason I'm making this video. I'm going to show you that once you pick up the Pod Profit Playbook, there's a table of contents where with a very simplified information product here that you can take and expand and create an entire brand around if you want to, or you could create a side hustle channel, a YouTube channel, or you could just create an email list or a newsletter, or you could just launch these products on a site like Warrior Plus, or create a Gumroad shop where you create these products that will be your own product and keep 100% of the profit by going through this process by picking up, or when you pick it up, you get my bonus, which is my report that walks you through utilizing PLR content that you purchase the rights to make your own product and using AI. Again, it's a real product of mine. Here is the sales page. Simple Truths Volume 8, PLR plus AI, all the things that you'll discover. And you also get a bonus here to use ChatGPT. This is a real product. It sells for $37.33. One thing to note, it's not available to the public. You have to be on my email list to see the offer, or inside of my membership area to get access to this. But this is what I want to show you inside of ChatGPT. I want to give you a little insight to what you'll be doing. You'll upload the PLR plus AI Dynamic Duo as a PDF, and you will upload as a PDF the Etsy Pod, the print-on-demand guide, and then you will use a prompt like this right here, and you can do this with all the other guides that are in the upsell. This is focused on creating your own product. You'll take a prompt like this, and then ChatGPT will spit out a course outline for how to build and run a profitable Etsy store. Remember, I am not telling you to just spit out a product with AI. Follow the Learn, Do, Teach model, the LDT model. Learn how this works. Learn how Etsy works, the ins and the outs. Do it. Go build an Etsy store. Learn what works. Learn what doesn't work. You don't need to make $1 million on Etsy for this to work. You just need to show people that you did it, that you actually did it, and then you can show them what happened. So module 1 is Etsy store setup from idea to launch. And the point here is you're going to create a simplified product that just shows people how to launch an Etsy store, how to pick one product and go for it, or one niche, or in one niche, one set of products and go for it. Then you'll introduce Etsy and print on demand. You give them a step-by-step store setup, and you'll create and launch your first product listing. Now, inside of this, the AI can also assist you with Etsy, setting up your Etsy shop and doing marketing on Etsy, as well as getting traffic to Etsy. You'll need to do all those things. And then you'll create module 2 by going through the daily operations, and I scrolled off the screen there, by going through the daily operations and growing your Etsy store. How to manage your Etsy store daily, create unique designs, and marketing your Etsy store. How to use social media, Instagram, Pinterest, or even utilizing Etsy ads and SEO. The importance of customer reviews and feedback loops for growth. These are all things that we need to learn, but understand you can learn this from other sources or see what other people are doing and why or how they started and the way they've grown. You can find a lot of this stuff on YouTube for people that actually talk about creating and selling on Etsy, because they actually create and sell on Etsy, which is a great way to do this. But again, if you want to build and grow your own Etsy shop, that's one thing, and then report on it. But we're focused here on being a marketer and creating an information product and utilizing the power of the LDT model, going out and learning everything about it and simplifying it into 3 simple modules for a beginner to set up and build and run a profitable Etsy store, and then give them module 1, give them module 2, then module 3 is going to show them how to measure success and how to expect or what to expect over a long-term period, and they can grow these strategies. Now remember, and go back and understand that the upsell that you're going to pick up is a chance to download 12 white label products so you can build this idea, these concepts around all these products. It's not focused on Etsy. This isn't really about selling on Etsy. It's about creating information products. It's about what is called selling shovels, showing people the way to do these things. Now, you need to do these things because you need to understand what works, what doesn't work, but you don't need to have this be your primary source of income. You just need to be able to show people the AI cash code. You need to be able to show people or give people the information they need to understand how to do high-ticket affiliate promotions. You need to understand what's going on in the Snap course, how to build your first email list. That might be from Etsy, and you might show people in your Etsy course that you create, look, I found a little bit of success on Etsy, but the way ahead is to build your first email list from Etsy and then to take them off Etsy and then sell them different products that you would probably sell on Etsy, but the competition is fierce over there. If you get them onto an email list and you build your first email list from the traffic that you got from your Etsy shop, this is your way ahead. This is the thing that you're going to be doing with this concept, and the reason I put this bonus together for this product, starting with the Pod Profit Playbook, is to show you my bonus. And my bonus is to how to use white label products, in this case called PLR, and to combine that with AI and make the dynamic duo, or they make the dynamic duo and allow you to focus on how to make products. Again, essentially, going out, use the LDT model, learn how to do these things, do them, show people the good, the bad, the ugly, warts and all, what you did, create a case study, and then you have a business where your business is, hey, check out all these cool things that I do. Here's what worked. Here's what didn't work. Here is how to do it. And then on the back end of that, you might or might not create your own big product or membership where you show people how to do these things. Or maybe you just pass them off. In the case of the Etsy shop, you might say, look, I got you up and running on Etsy. And if you're really digging Etsy, this is where you need to go next. Check out this offer, this affiliate offer. It has a membership of folks like you. It has a community of folks doing Etsy. And you can find out way more about how to build a long-term business and to add other products to your Etsy shop. Following these folks over here, check them out. I highly recommend them. I learned a lot from them. You can as well. But understand the focus here in this video is not about Etsy. It is about PLR and white label. The link in the description will take you over. You can start, and I recommend you start with this pod product, because this pod product shows you the way to do it on Etsy, and I'm going to show you the way to create your own product, and it gets the wheel spinning. Up here, the focus becomes, hey, check this out. Now I know how to create information products. I know how I can launch and sell information products using this information that's already been organized for me. I just need to expand it. I need to simplify it. I need to change the angles. And that's how you create your own information products. And essentially, that's how you become an information product marketer. That's how you sell shovels. You go out, you learn these things, you do these things, then you teach people how to do these things. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with this process. It's what some of the biggest marketers in the world, I would say actually the best marketers in the world do. They go out and they show you how to generate ideas, how to learn what you need to learn, how to execute, then also how to figure out, hey, is this something that I want to do? Do I want to run an Etsy shop? Or do I feel better about showing people what they can do in an Etsy shop and then being real about it and showing them how to get started, and then making sure they understand that long term they will have to only focus on Etsy, but things like maybe building an email list to bring people off the Etsy platform is important to them as well, and it's something they need to look at, and you're giving them valuable information that they're probably not getting on YouTube when people are just Etsy. Here's what you need to do because Etsy. You're going to make lots of money on Etsy. Well, Etsy may not be the answer for everyone, but it may be where they start, and you can help them with that, with this Pod Etsy product. Or even better yet, the idea and the big concept of the fact that you want to create your own information products around the world and making money online, and that's your focus. So check it out. Link in the description. It'll get you in on the inside. It'll get you access directly to me, and you'll be able to check out exactly how I do this with PLR and AI to create my own products, my methodology, my ideas, my brainstorming, all that, just for picking up this product and seeing what is possible. Link in the description. If you've got any questions, ask them in the comments. But I don't want to hear anything about Etsy because this video is not about Etsy. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.